Hi everyone! We all have those days when we need something quick and easy for dinner. I have this great meal that I think everyone in the family will enjoy. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious ramen stir fry with lots of vegetables. This recipe is much lower in sodium than preparing ramen the traditional way. A pack of ramen noodles cost just a few cents per pack at your local grocery stores and even dollar stores. And best of all, you use only one pan to make this recipe. Then, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious cucumber salad that goes really well with our savory stir fry. So let's get started. First, heat some oil in a large skillet on medium to high heat. Then add frozen stir fry vegetables, sliced onions. You can use whatever vegetables you like. Maybe add some peppers or cabbage. Then add noodles from a pack of ramen noodle soup, making sure to break them up just a little. Then add some cooked chicken or whatever leftover meat you have on hand, a few red pepper flakes, and some water. Stir, cover, and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This recipe is so versatile, you can add some pineapple for a little sweetness or some chopped peanuts to give it a little extra crunch. While my vegetables and noodles are cooking, I'm going to prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, add less sodium soy sauce, honey, garlic powder, and ground ginger. Give it a good stir to dissolve the honey and then pour it over the mixture. Mix it in so that everything is well coated. Put the lid back and reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for about another 5 minutes or so. Top with green onions if you like. For the cucumber salad, wash your cucumber, cut the ends off, and then slice it into thin slices. Slice some purple onions and put the cucumbers and onions in a medium bowl. In a small bowl, add the apple cider vinegar, water, sugar, dill, and minced garlic. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Pour it over the cucumbers and onions and mix together. You can serve the salad right away, or you can cover it and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. There you have it, a ramen stir fry with lots of veggies that is lower in sodium but big on flavor, and a refreshing cucumber salad. I'm also serving it with some banana pudding made with milk to make this a healthy meal. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The stir fry will keep for up to 3 days, and the cucumber salad will keep for 1 week. The recipe for this lower sodium ramen stir fry with cucumber salad can be found online at the lsuagcenter.com/build-a-healthy-meal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.